Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So actually last Sunday we went for outing and it was near to the Mumbai highway. It was the Shiv Mandir, so we enjoyed a lot. So here is my boy Shivan and he's doing JJ here. Look at him. He was like very happy because after a long time we went there, because in this corona call like no one is going out, so now we went out for this outing. So here we are on the top of the mountain, so we took stoppage here and here is the like slow motion we did. So here I'm with my boy and with my girl, so here he is enjoying. Now here you can see he is playing. I don't know what he was searching. Here Shania, she was throwing the stones. And here the man is busy in the mobile all the time. And look at the Shania. She was so happy because after a long time we went for outing. All like both the kids were very happy, and here it's me with the slow motion because I'm also getting like I also got time for shooting after a long time, and I found this place was very nice. Like I'm thinking to shoot on this place. So in next video I will go this place again and I will shoot here. This place is very nice. Look at the background, and I love this brown grasses you can see. I love this background also, so definitely I'll shoot here. And here the poses with here are the poses with sun. Here funny Shania, and it's me. So overall, like I enjoyed this place. You must go to this place. Like this is the Shiv Mandir on the top of the mountain. There is the Mandir, but like with the child it was not able to go on the top, so we took stoppage on the mid only, and there only we did the shoot. And here we are going back to the home. So he was not like he was not happy to go, but it was like sunset, so we have to go. Here we are going back to our home. So bye bye everyone. Hello boy, say bye bye. Yes, so here